All right. So, day 8. I'm sorry that I didn't stream for last like 5 days or something. It's not that I was lazy and I did nothing. It's actually quite opposite. What I did is I tried to figure it out how to work with Expo router. So I spent many hours trying to figure it out how it works and to get it to my desired result. But even so, I succeeded. It took me too many hours. And my conclusion is that Expo router is not ready yet to be used in production. Because it's quite still new, right? It's here like 1 year or something, so it's pretty new. And my issue, what I had is, maybe I can show you, that this is the Expo router, right? Every file is route name, some route. And my issue is that there are some weird edge cases that you can't load root root layout, that you can't not load root layout. And here, when I had this protected layout, this was causing the issue, even so it was in documentation itself. So it's quite weird that even docs are not like actual or latest. So I found like workarounds, for example, like this fixed the issue, but it brings another issues, but I will not talk about it now. But my issue with Expo router is that, for example, I had this issue with this. Even so it's in documentation, even so I have everything latest, it's not working. I found some video how to fix it from, I don't know, 2-3 weeks, not 2 weeks, 2-3 months. But that video is using older version of Expo router where the things works differently and the errors are different. So you need to always find the latest latest solution for the latest version. And I thought that if even after a year I still need to expect like different errors with different versions, in my opinion it's not ready. Hey mate, hi Joy, thanks for joining the stream. I'm currently saying why I switched from Expo router to React navigation. And it's because, yeah, like I said, in my opinion, how are you doing today? Yeah, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. I'm just a little bit tired because I had a long day. But yeah, except of that, I'm pretty okay. I'm finally streaming again after a few days, so that's nice. And yeah, I will finish this thought. So the issue is that this React Native Expo router is still changing and it's still pretty new, and even so it solves few issues with React navigation. I think it's still not ready for production. And to be honest, like for me, this thinking in layouts and file routes and things like that, it's like still, it's hard to think in it. When I switched to the, so my conclusion is that I switched everything to React navigation. I created new repo for that even, so I can compare those things. Another question, how many days left for the completion of this project? Yeah, I think still quite a lot. I'm still at the beginning. In my opinion, at least 30 days. Yes, 30 days. It depends. I'm not sure how fast it will go. But usually first 80% are pretty fast, and then the last 20 takes so much time to finish everything and polish everything. It's usually the hardest. Yeah, and so I switched everything to React navigation, and funny thing is that it took me like, I don't know, maybe 8 hours to get it working at Expo router the way I want it. But it took me 1 hour, even with setting up everything, to switch to React navigation, because I don't know, it's just easier thinking in this, because you don't have routes, you have just normal components that you render based on what you want to render. For example, this you can't do in Expo router. It will start saying some issues, I don't know, that you can't use anything else except screen in the stack or something. So yeah, it took me like one hour to fix it, and now as you can see, it's working pretty well. When I try to go to some route that is protected, this nice login model appear, the same for the profile. So everything that is protected, this model appear. But once I log in, I'm not sure if the backend is working. Yeah, once I'm logging, I'm automatically redirected to the correct page. Even so, I'm not pushing anything anywhere. It's happening automatically. This is what I didn't like about the Expo router, that I had to manually, as you can see, redirect everything. I just didn't like it. Here it's much more similar how React work, normal React in like React router in normal React, not React Native. And now everything works. Now everything works. When I log out, I'm again redirected to the main page. That's what I wanted. And now if I try to log in again, as you can see, I am not able to get to protected route or protected screen. I need to log in, and then I'm able to go here. Much simple, and I don't know, it just works better. Okay, some questions. Can you share the design with us? Are you going to make in this OSM build? Yeah, I can share the design, but I didn't pay any any designer yet, so I just write it with my hand. It's not pretty, but I can share it very quickly. Just give me a second. And there are some other questions. I don't think he don't have UI yet. He just shown wireframes with us. Yeah, exactly. I have just wireframes. Pretty ugly wireframes, but and by the way, Joy, if you know this, that means that you joined before, so thanks for that. That's nice to see that some people are joining multiple times. Wait, I will just try to open it so I don't share something that I don't want to share. All right, let's switch back. Okay, for design, you can pick any one from Dribble. I don't know what is Dribble, but I will try to Google it after. Yeah, and this is the wireframes. I know, but currently I'm working on these pages, these welcome pages, then this main page, and then create event, and yeah, this is create event, and also somewhere I don't think I have it, create a profile. That's also what I want, and also this is what I will work on today to create the pages itself, so I know everything is working, and I will then work on the elements itself. Yeah, by the way, really thanks for subscribing. It's amazing to gain like 300 subscribers in 2 weeks. So thanks a lot for that. And Joy is saying, yep, I'm regular, but I got you in messages today online. No, nice. That's nice. Thanks for joining regularly. Okay. I always, when I show these wireframes, somebody leave. So I will probably stop showing it because it's really ugly, and I need to pay some designer to do it. But I really don't want yet because I will probably change things, right? So I don't want to have design of something that will I do differently and then pay again. So it doesn't make sense in my opinion. But I will probably just stop showing it. All right, so now I need to work on this. So as you can see, I have like this setup that here will be profile, here this new event will be like this big plus button as new event. Here is the drawer, here will be some other pages. And what's also important is this first time. If the user opened the app for the first time, then yeah, and he needs to be logged out. So if I logged out, yeah, as you can see, this is first time login without the profile and things like that. And I want here to have some steps, so he will go through steps, and then this will be the last page, like this example how the app will look like. So here will be the city itself, here will be some example of event, and here will be the plus, and once he click the plus, he will need to log in. So that's like my idea, because I hate personally when I try to when I download some app and I try to open it and I need to immediately log in. I hate it. So I want users to be able to see the app without logging it and then log in once they want to do something. Okay, it's platform. You can choose design template for your mobile or web app, just like Figma. Oh yeah, nice. Thanks for the tip. I will check it later. Thanks a lot. But like I said, I think it's still too soon to think about design, like the really polished design. All right. So yeah, let's not waste time and start work. So the welcome pages. My idea is to have like 3 or something welcome pages. When the user click on it, then there will be like some welcome message, then some video how it works, and then or maybe when I'm thinking about it, when I'm thinking about it, probably just some pointers to elements will be enough, right? Or maybe both. Yeah, maybe both. Some video just of me showing how the app works, and then like this elements that, you know, when you open the game on mobile for the first time and it's telling you what you need to click on. That's like my idea what to have here for the first people that come here. I have one question. Can you please add push notification in this project with Firebase? I'm not using Firebase. I have my own backend, And I know that for push notifications you need to have some custom free party service, because it's pretty hard to do it yourself. You need to have some, I don't know, some special setup for it. But I'm not sure if I will use Firebase yet. And I'm not even sure if I need push notifications for something. Maybe I need for the events, but I think the events will be like just locally scheduled. I'm not sure yet. Maybe I will use push notifications for something, but I think they are not worth like this additional complexity. So I will try to not use them. But yeah, maybe. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so yeah, let's really focus now. So multiple screens that will like link to each other. That's my idea. So here, oh yeah, and I also wanted to explain how the file structure works now, because here before with the Expo router we had this app, and in the app were the screens, and every screen is basically one route, right? And then we have components, and in the components we have everything else. But here we have components, that's the same, but we have the navigation. So here is only navigation. So here is only connecting like screens with like where they should be, when they should load. And then we have the screens itself. So this is where this is the same as here the app, but we can have it as we want. We can have it structured as we want, because I can, it's just normal folders. They are not creating anything. I'm specifying the structure here in the index and in the drawer navigation. Again, for me personally, coming from normal React, from React router, this makes much more sense. I don't like this file structure router. It would be maybe okay if there were not this ugly layout and you had to add this layout in every folder. I don't know, it's hard to think in it. This is much simpler. Okay, so like I said, yeah, now I really need to focus, so maybe I will not look at the comments as often, and then I will look and answer all of them, like maybe, I don't know, every few minutes. Okay, so yeah, here I have the welcome folder with the first welcome screen, and I want to have like, I don't know, 3 maybe for now. That's enough. So welcome 2 and welcome 3. Like this. Like this. And they need to point to each other. So here will be link. Here will be link. I'm sorry. Hi, I see your question, but I said that I will focus now on the coding. So I think it's hard. I don't know how the streamers do it. I need to focus, but I don't know. Wow. Yeah, where were you? Like I said, this is like last question I will answer. Like I said, I focused on I was not lazy. I just focused on trying to understand Expo router, and I spent many hours trying to understand it, but the conclusion is that I decided to switch from Expo router to React navigation because it's just simpler and it's more mature. The Expo router is just 1 year old, it's too young, and I encountered many issues with it. So I decided to just keep it like it. There are still bugs that need to be solved. It's still too young, and I don't want to be the one who is handling all of it, right? So it's just much simpler to switch to React navigation, where everything works. React navigation is here for many years, so it's already mature enough to solve all the issues. Oh yeah. And React Native 2 screen and screen is yeah, but one more thing. Yeah, but thanks a lot for coming again. It's really nice to see that people are coming regularly to these streams. It's really nice. Yeah, so the screen is welcome to. Right. Wait, what's the issue? Yeah, I don't have this. What's the issue here? Oh yeah, this is not self-closing. This is normal. And for now, let's just write next, but it will be for sure some icon. Okay. The same thing here. Welcome free. Next, nice. And here it will be pointing to the to where? Yeah, here. And I want to share this component between two screens. I'm not sure if it's like proper solution, but for me it makes sense. Between this and this. I tested it, it's working, so who knows? Maybe it's nice solution. Okay, so the welcome, no, name will be first welcome home. Welcome home. Yeah, that's good enough. I'm not best with names. Okay, and here now the nice thing, I can simply do this. But yeah, this is not best solution in React navigation, that you need to specify all the screens manually. Yeah, this could be handled some like differently. I'm pretty sure that it should be able to get this from the screens itself. But what can we do? All right. Yeah, and nice thing is like everything that I'm used to from normal React is working here. That's really nice. Really, really nice. And now, yeah, also this welcome 1, welcome 2, welcome 3, like this. And with that, wait, how to specify that this is the initial route? Oh. Like I see it here, but maybe can I do something like this? It will be conditional. Maybe, let's try it. If it's smart enough, it should not be a problem. And what happens if I reload the page? Oh yeah, now it's working. Welcome free. Yeah, and from the welcome free, it needs to point to welcome home. Cool. Cool. Oh, it works like this. Okay. Maybe I need to add like push, not push, replace. How can I do that? How can I do that? Navigation, replace green. Okay, but this is navigate prop. I can use it, but I'm using a link. Navigation link. Maybe link can't replace. It's possible. Maybe options. What is the role? No. Yeah, probably. Probably is not possible. Let me Google it separately. Link replace. Okay. I guess link. I guess link doesn't work with replace. Or wait, maybe it's called differently? No, replace. Use navigation. Let's simply switch it. Button, title, next, on press, navigation dot, wait, what? Navigate. Wait, what? What am I doing wrong? Navigation. If navigator is stack navigator, and go back. Function. Oh, okay. It's specific to the type of navigation. So I probably need to specify which type it is. Okay, let's just test it because there is a way to get, where is it, to get type from the React navigation. This is it? No. Here you can do it like this. Then you can add props here. And now navigation is specific to the stack. Yeah. What he doesn't like. Oh yeah, the screen that he wants to replace. So home, like this. Okay. All right. Next. Wait. It's replacing just the last one, not the previous ones. Oh, replace the current screen with new one. Okay, that makes sense. So maybe reset. I just want to test it. Okay, I will probably fix this later because I'm not currently sure how to do it. Okay, that will be my homework. Yeah, it's replacing just the last one. I want to replace all of them. Strange. Okay, wait, I will write it to my to-do list. Give me a second. Zodiac, hello, hi. Welcome to the stream. Wow, 5 people are watching. That's the record. Thanks a lot, guys. Okay, I will edit here. Find how to replace whole stack instead of just last screen. Okay, and let's continue. So this is the screen for the first time. Wait, I will test what happens if I log in. Yeah, this replaced the whole stack. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice to know. This is what I need. All right, all right. Cool, 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 cool. And what to do now? Yeah, now I want, because currently I am simply setting it here if the user is there for the first time, but I want to set it to the async store for sure. So let's install async store. Oh, storage. Oh, it's already there. Nice. And I want to do it automatically in the use store when I log in for the first time. That's when I want to set up the yeah. I hope you don't feel alone in your streams, as I'm seeing that you are new in YouTube. No, it's okay. I'm actually surprised that so many people are watching. Like, if you think about it, 5 individual people, it's quite a lot. Like, if I had some presentation and like in my work and 5 people joined, that's like a lot of people, so I'm okay. Actually, before I recorded like 32 videos here. 32 videos, actually even more, but I didn't release the latest ones. Just recording myself without any audience, so I'm quite used to it. So it's okay. But thanks for the care. Okay, so async store and here. How is it? Async store set item. Async storage. Wait, async storage has no export of. Oh, okay, removed. I know that lots of people recommended this. Yeah, but I will still use this. And once I reach the limitation of it, then I will change to something else. Okay. Wait, what? Wait, this is not what I used before. I before used this nice async store. Was it this one? Yeah, probably. Ah, so I need to remove those two. No, wait, this is the same. So what is? Okay. Okay. Cool. Welcome. Maybe some better name. If is first time user. Maybe welcome user. Yeah, that's nice name. So welcome user true. Because we are welcoming that user. Wait, what I did? Why I wrote here true? Welcome user like this, or to keep it same like this. Okay. False, right? Or maybe wait. Is first time true, but it will be false. Now that's stupid. Welcome finished. true. Welcome finished, true. That makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, welcome finished. Welcome finished. Cool. All right. And that's it. I will never remove this. That's it. I could just save it to the secure store, right? No. Sorry. It doesn't matter. All right. Wait, so now I need to get it. Yeah, I need to have it as state anyway, because I need to update it conditionally after he's logged in. It needs to update the state so it's reloaded. Okay, so I need to set state anyway. So welcome finish by default false. Welcome finished. Yeah, by default it's false. I'm setting it to the wait. Can user yeah, I need to set it as well. Yes, that looks differently, right? Set this. Finished. Welcome finished. Also here. And something like load welcome finish. Wait, does it make sense? So I'm loading it. Yeah. Okay. No, wait, it doesn't make sense. Because for few seconds, or for a few milliseconds, it will be false. That means it will switch to the welcome screen. Only I can show the splash screen until everything is loaded. Yeah. Okay. 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 It's wait, it's async, right? Mm-hmm. No? I mean, it doesn't make change, right? Because I'm just calling it. Yeah, that's true. Okay. Now it should be false. Yeah, so welcome screen. Next. Let's log in. Cool, working. Now it should be in the storage. So now if I reload the app, yeah, I'm not even logged. I'm not only logged in, I'm also not seeing the first time, but I think I saw there, yeah, for a second I saw there the page. That's what I was afraid of. But like I said, there is a way how to prevent hiding the splash screen, right? Reg navigation, prevent splash screen hide. How to hide? Class components. This will show a splash screen on loading screen when restoring the token. Wait, I can simply import splash screen. That would be best. Mm. 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 Why I see Java? Blah. Okay, Expo splash screen. That's maybe it. Was learning Dart for Flutter than you showed universe? Okay, I mean, if your preference is to learn Flutter or Dart, I mean, I'm not taking it from you, but in my opinion, React Native and Expo and everything is much better than Flutter. So, but like I said, it's my opinion. You can do whatever you want. But yeah, if you think that it's better, I'm glad that you found me, and you can learn with me. Okay, this looks like what I'm looking for, right? To prevent auto hide and then hide it asynchronously when I want. Yeah, this is what I want. It was in the Expo by default, so it's nice to know that you can install it. Okay. Okay, splash screen prevent auto hide. Sorry, I was thinking. Okay. App is ready. But what I want is this const const wait. That's not bad. Yeah, but I can do it without the state. Const everything loaded. Not best name, but no, load everything. That's better. Everything. It's asynchronous. Like this. I'm doing that, by the way, if you are not that familiar with React, because you can't add asynchronous behavior to the use effect itself, but you can call a function that is asynchronous. That's no issue, but you can't add it directly to the use effect. Okay. And now, if I try it, I don't know why I need to remove it every time. I'm probably doing something wrong. Oh. Maybe I need to return null as well. Okay, let's try to do it exactly the same way as they have it. Wait. I just noticed. What? How was it working? I didn't switch the state of the first time. Okay, but it's behaving the same, so the issue is the same, but yeah, I need to test it again. Welcome finished. Wait, so welcome finished, it's opposite, right? welcome not finished. Yeah. Maybe I need to edit before creation of stack. Okay. It's probably only for the Expo router. Yeah, but let's test it anyway. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Okay, but it solved the issue with that bug. So it looks like I need to return now. Okay, let's try it. Let's finish this. Hide screen. Wow! It really solved it. Nah, no, it didn't. There's still welcome screen for second. Well, why is that? Oh, I see. Nice. Fixed. Fixed. Nice. Very nice. Splice screen, splice screen. Splice screen, splice screen. And immediately. Boom. Nice. Hello, hello. Hi, Vinam. Sorry, I can't read it. But hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Stream. Welcome to the stream. Oh, okay. I'm happy that I fixed this. That's nice to know. Okay. Cool. But maybe I will find some different solution because this is slowing the app down, right? That's also not best. But at least it's not switching to the welcome screen. That's nice. Cool. So that's one thing. Now to test it, how it's behaving without the welcome finished. item set in the async store. Let's actually remove it. This is not how it will work, but just for now, for testing purposes, let's remove the item on the logout. So logout. Okay, and it's not working as I wanted it to work. Maybe because I didn't refresh the state of the welcome finished state. But if I reload, yeah, it's going to the welcome. So this is basically if the user opened the app for the first time, he never visited it before, he opened the app, here will be some welcome screen, blah, 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 some video, blah, 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 yeah, let's go next. Oh, nice, this is nice. I want to create some event. Oh, I need to log in. Okay, no problem. But first I will register. Okay, I will register. I will register as, I don't know, Carol. It's Czech name. So I'm Carol .carol.com and I'm registered. I'm in the database as Carol. I'm immediately logged in because I don't have verification of the email yet, but I will add it later. And I'm logged in with fully working app. Everything is working. And now if I close the app, right? If I close the app, can I do this? And open it again. I probably can't do that, right? Yeah, I need to refresh it. I broke it. But if I close the app and open it again, I am logged in. Everything is working. No welcome screen, no login screen. And this is how it stays. Nice. That's fixed. Okay, hello, noob question. What is the program you are using to show the phone emulator? It's Xcode. You need to have Mac to be able to see this iPhone emulator. But if you are on the Windows, you can use the Android. Actually, that's quite a good thing to test how it looks on the Android. So for Android, you need to have Android Studio, and I think you need to open the simulator, because with iOS you can just have the Xcode installed and then it will open it automatically. Yeah, with the Android Studio, give me a second. Android Studio. Why did I open it in a bad window? Yeah, here. More actions. Virtual device. Again, it opened in bad window. Give me a second. Okay, here you need to launch the emulator first. Again, it opened in bad window. Right. Give me a second. I need to switch screens. Okay, you can't add emulator as like here with the iPhone, as the same as the iPhone. You need to have it like this. Not sure why. What is this? Blah. Okay, I really don't like Android, but I will support Android as well. So, is somebody using Android here? That's a big question. Oh! Android Studio for Android, and what is the name for the iPhone? Xcode. It's from the Apple itself. Xcode, it's called. Yeah, I really can't use it in the full frame, full screen. Okay, so I have opened Android, and now let's try it with Android. And if I did everything correctly, it should work exactly the same as on Android iPhone. Sorry, I need to drink. Thank you, no problem. And moment of truth. It's loading. Welcome. Nice. Okay, nice. Cool, continue. Oh, it looks differently on Android. Because that's nice thing about React Native, that you are using native components. That means that behavior change by the native, like if you are using iPhone, it has some native, components. If you are using Android, it has some native components, and they are behaving differently. For example, in comparison in Flutter, because you are basically scraping the whole, like all of the layers, and you are swapping there your custom layer, and you are rendering all widgets or your own, then you can have like behavior exactly the same on all devices, but then they doesn't look like native. Cool. So it looks like it's working. There is no model on Android. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Oh, looks like some error. I can't log in. Network error. Wait, this is the old one. Network error. Okay, give me a second. Let's try to console log a result. Okay, it's failing here on the login. Okay, let's try test if it reach. It's not even reaching the backend. That's weird. That's weird. Oh yeah, because I didn't logged in, I'm continuing from the beginning. Okay. If I try to register, Peter. No. This is weird. I probably need to set up something somewhere. I didn't study how to run it on Android, so maybe I need to set up something a little bit differently. Not sure what. Is it at least calling correctly the onSubmit? Yeah. Okay, so the issue is only with the Axios. Maybe with the Secure Store? Before, after, Profit debugging. Before, after. Weird. But yeah, I don't want to fix this now. I will just write it to my backlog. Yeah, because like I said, I didn't study Android at all, so maybe there is some special setting that I need to set up. Yeah, but it's nice to know that I need to do something there, that Android is not working. Android is not sending requests to the backend. Check how to fix it. By the way, do you have a GitHub repo? If you do, a link would be great. I have GitHub repo, but not for this project. I have it from my previous project, Messenger copy, because I plan to really release this app and it would be too easy to copy, right? If I release the whole code, like I would like to, but it would be too easy to make a copy of that app. You can basically just fork it and release it on your own, and so I want to make it harder to make a copy. But you can take a look at the repo of my previous project, which is this Messenger copy. The link is in the description. Yeah, you can find interesting things there as well. But unfortunately not for this project. Oh, all right. Yeah. Unfortunately, I can't do that. Okay, let's open iOS again. So I'm asking again, guys, are you using iPhone? Like, with your real phone is iPhone or Android? I will not judge. I'm just asking because I'm curious. I know that programmers usually don't like don't like iPhone, but I used to be the same, that I hated iPhone, but now I love it. I have everything from Apple. I don't know, it just, I don't know. I just like it for some reason. Okay, so here everything works. So it's weird that it's not working. Oh yeah, I need to log out. To be sure, let's test it. Yeah, it's working. So I'm not sure why is it not working on the Android. For me, Android. Yeah, okay. I thought that here will be more of Android people, but it's okay. It's okay. Everyone needs to do what he likes. Okay. So now I think it's time to start working on the home screen, right? Let me think. I'm logged in, right? I have the user. I need to set up the like my profile, like the profile image and things like that, but I don't need it yet. I would prefer to start on home screen, so I know what I need on the backend, and then I can do the profile and try to create new event. Yeah. All right. So let's start on the home screen. All right. Like, yeah, by the way, this is how it came from the template that I used. I don't understand, if somebody is using Tailwind, why to do it like this. It doesn't make sense. The Tailwind, like the idea of Tailwind is to using inline styles very quickly and very effectively. So you don't need to do this. So I don't know, probably this template created somebody who is not using Tailwind that much, but he knows how Tailwind is popular, so he added it. But yeah, this is weird. I used some create React Expo stack or something like that. It was some starter. All right, people are still watching. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah, so I will show my beautiful drawings again. Okay, and the goal is this: to have this slider, not slider, how it's called, carousel, I think, carousel, and this carousel will switch everything here, but the create event will stay the same. So what I need to do, the question, so are you doing it with someone else? No, I'm coding it on my own. Why are you asking that? And about the design of the app, are you going to keep the current, or are you going to change it? I recommend looking at some 22,000, 24,000 designs of mobile apps and get expired there. Yeah, 2024. Yeah, I can get inspired there, because yeah, I don't know how to design app, right? I bought some book about it, but I didn't start yet. And like I said, I will definitely change it. This is just so I know the functionality, not that not that I will do it like that. My plan is to first create a working app, then hire some external designer who is specialized in UX design for mobile apps, and he will or she will redesign the app, but I will already know all functionality that I will have there, so it will be easier for her. And like, since I am front-end developer, for me changing design is very easy and very quick, so it wouldn't be issue for me to completely change the design if it's necessary. Like, I mean, I would like to keep the core design the same, like this swiper or something, but of course the real design will be very different. Because of the Tailwind comment, yeah, you were asking if I'm doing it someone else. No, I downloaded it from the internet. You can download starters for basically anything, so you don't need to set it up yourself. That's smart. Thanks. 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 Okay. Yeah. So I will try to find some swiper on the internet, but I'm not sure if swiper is the correct name. I think it's called, like, maybe it is on mobiles, but in the web it's called carousel, in my opinion. Carousel React. Just so I know if I'm right. Yeah. In web development it's called carousel, so let's try swiper React Native. Maybe it's two different things. Oh yeah, it's the same, but it's called differently. Oh, that's even better. Because the whole screen is... Oh, that's maybe not bad to swipe whole screen, and the plus icon will be like over it, right? Somewhere here, and hopefully there will be way how to push it a little bit, or maybe down a little bit. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. No, this is the same thing. This is more ugly. This looks promising. but published 4 years ago. When was the last update? Oh. Oh. But 10,000 stars? Maybe it's so good that he doesn't need to update it. Let's take a look at the issues. I don't like to use old libraries. Let's try to find something else and keep it as backup. React Native. Maybe carousel. Snap carousel. Okay, but it's for the pictures, right? Yeah, so probably you were right that the right name is Swiper. Maybe something like screen swiper. Are you procrastinating right now? What do you mean? No, I'm really trying to find swiper. I mean, I can develop it myself, but it's easier to find it, right? And by the way, I can maybe use this even for the welcome screen, right? Okay, let's go with the first one. I think this looked the best. Even so, it's so old. Wait, what? No, okay. Swiper. Oh, it's even working with class components. Oh my god. Or should I develop it myself? That's the question. It's not hard, right? I guess. Like in a normal React, I would have it very quickly, but I'm not sure how to create animations. Like sliding animations, maybe? Oh my god. Okay, let's first let's try something. I really believe there should be something that works very nicely. Nah man, don't develop it yourself. When you just install a library for React Native, it's gonna be easier like that. Yeah, I also think so. But why everything is so old? Do you have something that you want to recommend? Also, if you don't have experience with React Native, you might get some bugs with it. Yeah, that's true, but at least I would learn it, right? Oh, this looks nice. Right? Because you can create your own view of the components. This is not bad. Oh yeah, this is not bad. Wait, why is it web? Works both on React Native and native web. Nice. Okay, this looks okay. No, sorry, no recommendations. It's okay. By the way, you have some experience with React Native or some mobile development? Yeah, this looks nice. This looks okay. This looks okay. Even so, it's without TypeScript. But wait, let me try to find something one more time. Some new video.
S podvodnými stránkami se to má tak, že jako podvodné stránky na první pohled nevypadají. Zabudovaná ochrana proti phishingu. Stáhněte si Chrome do vašeho telefonu. Vyberte si Chrome.
Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of React Native. So today we are going to learn about the React Native swiper. That is very important in any of your React.
You have it same as me. I have many years of React, normal React, but this is my first time of React Native, with React Native.
React Native application that use whether you can add the image, you can see the different one, right? Export this and uncomment the above one.
React Native swiper. Yeah, he's using the old one, I think. Yeah. Okay. Oh wait, you can there render your own pagination.
And when you click on the render pagination, you can see that there is a view, and we have already.
That's not bad. $200 slides. Can you show some of your previous project other than the messenger copy? I'm kind of curious. I don't have other projects. Like side projects. I just worked full-time as in my job. I worked on some some bank applications, and then I worked on application that is managing databases and database instances in Kubernetes. So I created frontend for that. That's what I worked on for the past year. Yeah, but nothing that I can show. I don't like that here I can't specify my own pagination. So I will go with the old one. Where was it? Yeah, this one. Still cool. Thanks. Before I started with React, I was backend developer and I worked with Java for 2 years, but I didn't like it. It's not for me. To be honest, I don't like the whole OOP. I think it's quite old. I think there are better ways how to program, like the functional programming is better. But it's just my opinion. Somebody can have different opinion. By the way, that project that I worked on with the databases, the whole backend was in Go. There is like I'm used to like talking to backend guys that hate Java because Go is everything that Java is not, basically. Yeah, Java is hard and old. Yeah, that's my issue. Like the Java is unnecessarily complex. Like that, it's abstraction on abstraction on abstraction. Like everything is loose coupled. I mean, the idea on paper looks nice, but in reality, even if you are like abstracting database, and the database is loosely coupled with your project, so you can someday in the future change the database to completely different database, you will still need to change some components and some functions and things like that. It's never just clean swap as it looks on the paper. So if you are doing that, you need to check everything anyway. So why to slow development for like I don't know, for some very little probability of swapping database, if you can just do it after once you decided to swap, you need to check anything anyway. So in my opinion, it's not so best. But actually Java is used on space rovers on Mars. Yeah, I can imagine, because I wouldn't write space rovers on Mars with JavaScript, right? I mean, it has use cases. That's the same with banks. Like, it's safe, it's bulletproof, but it's not comfortable to work with. Okay, let's implement this slider. Wait, what is this? Okay. Okay, swiper. Here. Swiper. Render pagination. Yeah, that's nice that you can render it yourself. Autoplay. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Okay, so let's try it. Like this, right? Show buttons. True. All right. Oh, I'm already streaming almost 2 hours. Wow, it's really that simple. Nice. This is not what I expected at all. I expected it will be much more difficult to run. This is nice. Okay. Okay. So wait, if I do this, class name absolute. I hope it works the same in React Native as in normal React. Oh yeah, it looks like it is. Nice. Translate. How was it? Yeah. Translate X. And the right should be like this. Almost. And bottom is not 0, but let's say 16. And oh, it's not clickable. The index. I hope Oh yeah, it works same. Nice. At least something works same. Ah, cool. But why is it not in the middle? Probably because of this. No. Ah. I miss simply targeting elements. Okay. Why is it not in the middle? I think this is doing nothing. Okay, no, it's not doing nothing. It's working. But this is doing nothing. Maybe it's again issue with the Tailwind. Let's try this way. Transform. I'm so used to Tailwind that I forgot. Transform, translate? No. No, I think I'm doing it wrong. But still, it's weird that... What are you trying to do with translate now? I'm trying to center this. And in React, right, you just do this. You add 50% to the right, so this is working. But now you need to push this element 50% to the right as well, or minus 50% to the right actually, or it doesn't matter, but you need to push it so it's 50% in the middle. In normal React you would do this, but here it's not working. I think it's plus 50%. Wait, I'm changing translate and transform. Translate 50%. Wait, I think I forgot. Before, I forgot to write the X. Just to test it. No, still not working. Okay. Maybe I can do something like auto. Oh, mx auto. Nothing is working. Bro, how to start a startup AI? What do you mean? Like, you are asking me how to start a startup? Okay, I don't have time for this. I will do it fixed for now. Okay, so this is working. This is working. Nice. You can swipe. Nice. And if I move all of this away, nice. It's working exactly as it should. Exactly. Also, if you are just trying to center the text, just do text align center, and if it doesn't work, that add with 100. Yeah, I don't want to do that because this is floating over the screen, right? And I already set the Z index. So if I would set 100% width, then everything that is here and here will not be clickable. I mean, it's not that big of the issue because probably here nothing important will be, but still it's better if I somehow figure out how to transform 50%. Maybe in React Native it's not possible. Maybe you need to do it like that. Actually, let me write it to my backlog. Find how to center absolute element. Okay. Okay, but this is nice. And it's even starting on the new page again. Huh. This is very nice. Okay. And now, what to do now? It's already over 2 hours. And I need to go to the gym. I'm afraid I need to do the rest tomorrow. I don't have more time. Even so, I kind of have energy. I don't have more time. Yeah, okay. So let's keep it for tomorrow. and tomorrow I will create this component and everything inside. All right, so thanks a lot for watching. It's really nice that so many people watched most of the stream. Yeah, so then thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you liked it, and I hope that you will join next time. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks Honzo for being here a long time. All right, so see you tomorrow. Bye.